When you step into the world of decentralized identity, one thing becomes clear. Trust isn't built by chance. It's built by standards. Just like any other industry, the decentralized identity space relies on a set of foundational standards to ensure security, interoperability, and user control. And here's the good news. You don't need to memorize them. You just need to understand what they're here for. Let's walk through the key DID standards that are shaping the future of digital identity. At the heart of it all is the W3C DID standard. This gives you a globally recognized, cryptographically secure digital identifier that you own. It's not tied to a government, a tech company, or any central authority. With a DID, you control your identity, and that's the core promise. This standard ensures your ID can't be revoked or altered by someone else. It gives you a self-sovereign identity, meaning only you decide what to do with it. This is the first building block of secure, decentralized interactions. Now that you have a DID, you need a way to prove things about yourself, like your education, age, or employment status. That's where the W3C verifiable credentials standard comes in. This standard defines how credentials can be digitally issued, shared, and verified, without exposing all your personal data. You can share only what's needed, and the verifier doesn't have to call your university or employer to check it. This boosts privacy, while keeping trust intact. What if millions of people need a DID? That's where Diff Sidetree shines. It's a protocol that allows DIDs to be created and managed at scale, without locking everything to one blockchain or database. With Sidetree, you get a scalable foundation to support billions of decentralized identities. It's fast, efficient, and blockchain agnostic. That means your identity system can grow globally, without bottlenecks. When you visit a website, how do you know it's trustworthy? The Diff well-known DID configuration standard gives websites a way to link themselves to a DID. Think of it like a digital certificate, but decentralized. It lets you verify a website's identity without relying on a central certificate authority. It's all about bringing trust and transparency to the web. You're used to logging in with Google, Facebook, or Apple. But what if you could be your own identity provider? That's what DID-COP enables. It lets you log into services using your decentralized identity. No middleman needed. You become the source of truth for your authentication. That means no more relying on big tech just to prove who you are. Finally, there's the Presentation Exchange Standard, which defines how you present credentials to others in a structured, secure way. Let's say you want to prove you're over 18 without handing over your entire ID. Or maybe you need to verify your job title without sending your whole resume. Presentation Exchange standardizes that process. You share only what's needed, and it's cryptographically verifiable. So why do all these standards matter to you? Because without them, decentralized identity would be chaotic, inconsistent, and insecure. But with them, you get an ecosystem where your identity is portable, private, secure, and verifiable on your terms. Microsoft, along with other leaders in the space, is helping shape these standards not just to build technology, but to build trust. And ultimately, these standards put you in control of your identity, not a third party. This is the future of digital trust, and now you understand the standards that make it possible.